In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. This process can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it with clear and easy to follow steps. First, let's start by making sure you have the Uber Driver app installed on your phone. It's crucial to have the correct app as the Uber Eats and Uber Driver apps serve different purposes. If you don't have the Uber Driver app yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Uber Driver, and download it. Once installed, open the app and log in with the same credentials you use for Uber Eats. This ensures all your information stays linked and you don't have to start afresh. Now that you're logged in, on the home screen of the Uber Driver app, navigate to the menu icon. It's typically found in the top left corner of the screen and looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to open up a menu. From here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Account or something similar. Tap on this section and you'll find various options related to your personal information and settings. Within your account settings, what you're looking for is an option related to driving preferences. Your goal here is to find where you can manage your preferences for the types of rides and deliveries you want to accept. Tap into the driving preferences section. In this area, you typically have the option to select between Uber Eats deliveries and Uber rides. To switch to being an Uber driver, you'll want to make sure that UberX, Uber XL, or any other ride options are enabled, while you can choose to either disable or leave Uber Eats active if you want the flexibility to switch between both modes. Once you've adjusted your preferences, it might be a good idea to take a moment and check all your profile details. Make sure things like your driver's license, insurance, and vehicle details are still up to date, as Uber requires these in order for you to drive passengers. Regularly ensuring your documents are current can help avoid any disruptions in your account status. Finally, after you've configured your settings, it's helpful to test them out with a practice session. Go online in the Uber Driver app by toggling the switch that indicates you're available for requests. You should start seeing ride requests coming in rather than delivery requests, depending on your configured availability. And there you have it. Congratulations on transitioning from an Uber Eats delivery person to an Uber driver. Remember to frequently check your driving preferences if you choose to pivot or explore different opportunities Uber offers. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy driving and stay safe on the road.